Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me in today's presentation. We are looking at this question sent in by one of the fans. And the question reads, a box contains 40 identical discs, which are either red and white. If the probability of picking a red disc is 1/4, that's 1 over 4, we are asked to calculate the number of Roman numerals 1 white discs, Roman numerals 2 red discs that should be added such that the probability of picking a red disc will be 1 over 3. First thing to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, this is from one of the very interesting topic in mathematics. This is probability. Probability is nothing but likelihood or chances of an event to occur. And the range of probability has to be between 0 and 1 inclusive. It means your probability cannot be less than 0 and your probability cannot be more than 1. Probability of success is 1 and probability of failure is 0. Very important. Let's look at how we can solve this. First thing to do is to interpret the question very well. Students tend to find probability hard sometimes, but probability is easy if you can understand the concept. And I believe at the end of this video, you will understand probability very well. Thank you for joining me. Let's look at how we can solve this together. Probability, the formula for probability is number of required outcome divided by the total possible outcomes. Okay, so let's write down the solution. The formula is probability is R divided by N. This R means number of required outcome. This N means the total possible outcome. From the question, a box contains 40 identical discs. Our N is 40. That's total possible outcomes is 40, which are either what? Red and white. If the probability of picking a red disc is 1/4, we don't know how many red discs we have inside that box, but they have given us the probability. So we can say let the number of red discs, let the number of red discs be what? Let it be x, since we don't know. So to find the number of red discs now, our R, which is the required outcomes now, is x. Then the total possible outcome is 40. So x out of 40 now will be equals to, the probability now is 1 over 4. That will be 1 over 4. So we can cross multiply at this point to find the value of x. 4 times x, that will be 4x. This will be equals to 40 times 1 is 40. We can easily find the value of x. We divide through by the coefficient of x, which is 4. Therefore, x will now be equals to 40 divided by 4, and this will be equals to 10. So in other words, the number of red discs inside that box is nothing but 10. So if red discs are 10, what will be the number of white? It's nothing but 40 minus what? 10. So let's get the number of white discs, because the first question said we are asked to find the number. We are asked to calculate the number of white discs. This is solution to Roman numerals 1. So numbers of white discs now, number of white discs will be 30 minus 10, that will be 40 minus 10 rather, that will be 30 discs. So this is the number of white discs in that box. So this is the solution to Roman numerals 1. Let's move to Roman numerals 2. Let me move here. Permit me to clean here. Please stay tuned as I solve Roman numerals 2. By the way, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Subscribe to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. Alright, let's look at Roman numerals 2. We are asked to what? to calculate the number of red discs that should be added such that the probability of picking a red disc will be 1 over 3. So we can say let the number, we can say let the number or let the numbers of the red discs, let the number of the red discs that should be added or that will be added that that will be added that will be added let the number of the red discs that will be added be x, or let's say y this time around. Okay, let's say y, and we are told that red disc is 10, so it means it will be 10 plus y. This will not be our required outcome. The total possible outcome will increase now. It will be 40 plus y. So it means 10 plus y divided by 40 plus y will be equals to, the probability from the question is 1 over 3. So we can easily find the value of y. Whatever the value of y will be the number of red discs that will be added for the probability to be 1 over 3. So let's cross multiply at this point. So it will be 3 into 10 plus y equal 1 times 40 plus y, that will be 40 plus y. So at this point, we can clear the bracket here. 3 times 10, that will be 30, plus 3 times y, that's 3y, will be equals to 40 plus y. At this junction, we can collect like times. This will be 3y, plus y crossing the equal sign will be minus y. This will be 40, plus 30 crossing the equal sign, it will be minus 30. 3y minus y, that will be 2y, will be equals to 40 minus 30, that will be 10. So to find the value of y now, we divide both sides by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. Therefore, y now will be equals to 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. Y will be equals to 5. Therefore, we can conclude that the number of red discs that will be added is nothing but 5, for the probability to be 1 over 3 is nothing but what? 5. And we can verify that by the time we plug the value of y into this left hand side, it will be the center as 1 over 3. So the value of, or the number of red discs that will be added for the probability to be 1 over 3 is nothing but 5. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues.